I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the device ready and enabling the feature. First, check iOS and update if needed. Extensions behave best on recent releases. Next, download the extension app from the App Store, then open Settings and navigate to the Host app. For Safari, use Safari right arrow extensions. Toggle the extension on and grant permissions when prompted. Once done, return to the Host app to begin configuring options and sign in if the extension requires an account. Now you'll configure and run the extension inside the app. Open the Host app and locate the extension, often in the Share Sheet, Toolbar, or App Settings, then tap to activate it on the current content. Make sure you adjust an extension settings such as permissions, appearance, and any keyboard or shortcut mappings so it matches your workflow. Test it on a small piece of content to confirm behavior. If the extension has an app companion, use it to fine-tune defaults and sync preferences across devices. Finish by verifying persistent behavior and prepping for fixes. Use the extension in real scenarios and confirm it launches reliably. If it doesn't, force close the Host app and reopen it, or reboot the device to clear transient issues. If problems persist, reinstall the extension app and recheck settings permissions. Make sure both the extension app and iOS are up to date. One key tip: if you lose functionality, toggle the extension off and on in settings, then grant permissions again to restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.